Is the Pi Network Mainnet finally launching? After years of waiting, the developers are hinting at a Q1 2025 release, and millions of users are rushing to complete their KYC. Is this your last chance to get ready? Let's dive in. What's up, crypto crew? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your #1 source for all things crypto. I'm your host, Gold Rush, and today we have a crucial update on a project that's captured the attention of millions. The Pi Network. Let's start with this important article from Crypto Potato titled Important Update on Pi Network's KYC Verification Process Details. This piece sheds light on the current state of Pi Network's KYC and mainnet preparations. Here's some guidance for Pi Network users struggling with their KYC applications. Complete this action today if needed. Pi Network, a controversial crypto project that claims to enable people to mine digital assets directly from their smartphones, officially saw the light of day in 2019. Despite being around for quite a while, its native token remains unavailable for trading. Moreover, the community is still anticipating the launch of its fully operational blockchain and open network. Okay, so Pi Network launched back in 2019, but the token still isn't tradable, and the open mainnet launch is still pending. This has been a long journey for Pi Network users. Let's see what's happening. Last year, the team assured that the open network will be introduced once 15 million users pass necessary Know Your Customer KYC verifications and migrate to the mainnet, known as the grace period, before January 31st. 15 million users. That's the magic number for the open mainnet launch, and they set a deadline of January 31st. That's a lot of KYC to process. This is a huge undertaking. Earlier this month, Pi Network revealed that it is making excellent progress with over 9 million successful migrations. Prior to that, the developers maintained that 14 million people had completed the verification process. 9 million migrations out of 14 million verified users. That's significant progress, but they're still not at that 15 million target. They're getting close though. However, some users have recently complained that their KYC applications have been rejected for various reasons. Pi Network recently advised those experiencing such issues to either spend Pi to update their name or appeal to resubmit their KYC application. Complete this action today if needed, the project added. So there are some KYC hiccups. Some users are getting rejected, and Pi Network is urging them to take action, either by updating their name or appeal the decision. This is important, folks. If you're a Pi user, you need to make sure your KYC is in order. This could be holding up the process. In October, the team gave another option to users struggling with KYC and migration procedures. It urged those to join a dedicated Telegram chat where there will be mods to answer your questions. They have a dedicated Telegram chat for KYC support. That's good to know. If you're having issues, that's where you should go for help. This is a great resource for users. A week ago, Pi Network's team claimed that KYC verifications and migration to the mainnet might happen faster if users make sure the video is clear with good lighting when completing the procedures. When prompted in the mining app for such additional liveness checks, please take the liveness checks and do not close the pickup. Sign the token acknowledgement even if you are still waiting for your KYC results, as it is required for anyone to migrate to mainnet anyway, the developers advised. This is crucial, folks. Make sure your KYC video is clear and well lit, and take those liveness checks seriously. Don't close the pop-up. And sign that token acknowledgement even if you're still waiting for your KYC results. This is all very important for the migration process. Others might have to secure their accounts as required in the mainnet checklist. To do so, they should review their application, complete any necessary actions when notified, and finalize their KYC results promptly to prepare for migration. Secure your accounts, folks. Follow the mainnet checklist, review your application, complete any necessary actions, and finalize your KYC. This is your last chance to get ready for the mainnet launch. This is your chance to be a part of something big. Now, let's jump to our second article, this one from Crypto News, titled Pi Network Mainnet Launch is Coming. Will Pi Coin rise or fall? This article dives into the potential price action of Pi Coin after the mainnet launch. The Pi Network-IOU token price has remained flat at a key support level as developers prepare to launch the mainnet. Pi Coin was trading at the psychological level of $50, significantly lower than its November high near $100. The main catalyst for the sell-off has been the ongoing delay in the mainnet launch. So the Pi Network-IOU is trading around $50, but remember, this is an IOU, not the actual Pi coin. The price has dropped due to the mainnet delays. This is to be expected. Developers initially postponed the first grace period for Know Your Customer verification from No 31st to Dec 1st. They pushed back the grace period from November to December. These delays have definitely tested the patience of the Pi community. Then in December, they pushed the grace period again to Jan 31st, citing that millions of pioneers had yet to migrate their tokens to the mainnet. At the time, over 18 million members had included KYC verification, but only 8 million had moved their tokens to the mainnet. 18 million KYC verified users, but only 8 million migrated initially. That's a big gap. They needed 10 million migrations to proceed. So according to the Mainnet Launch guidelines, the process can only continue when at least 10 million users have migrated their tokens. In a statement on Jan 5th, developers noted that over 9 million users had now completed the migration, increasing the chances of hitting the 10 million threshold by Jan. 9 million migrations now. They're getting very close to that 10 million target, and they are very close to that January 31st deadline. This is cutting it close, people. This is cutting it close. If all goes well, the developers expect the mainnet launch to happen in Q1 2025, likely in February or March. Moving to the mainnet will open the Pi Network ecosystem to a broader audience and allow pioneers to convert their Pi coins into fiat currencies after years of mining. Once Q1 2025, that's the target, folks, February or March. And finally, after years of mining, Pi users will be able to convert their Pi into fiat. This is what everyone's been waiting for. This is a huge milestone. The Mainnet launch will also enable users to test about 80 community-created applications. Some of these Mainnet-ready applications include Map of Pi, Pi Game, Care for Pi, and One Pi Mall. Notably, Map of Pi lists sellers worldwide who accept PiCoin. 80 community-created applications. That's impressive. And Map of Pi already lists sellers worldwide who accept PiCoin. This ecosystem is growing rapidly. This is a great sign for the future of Pi. Pi Network's vision has always been to create a more accessible cryptocurrency than Bitcoin. Its unique approach allows Pi to be mined on smartphones with the goal of global business acceptance. However, there remains a risk that the mainnet launch could be delayed again, as has occurred multiple times in the past. They want to be more accessible than Bitcoin. That's a bold ambition. And yes, there's always a risk of further delays. This is crypto, after all. Nothing is ever guaranteed. This is something to keep in mind. Listed on HTX is not affiliated with the official Pi Network project. It is often considered the closest proxy to the real Pi coin. Historically, its price has risen on mainnet launch hopes and fallen when those hopes fade. This is important to remember. The IOU on HTX is not the real Pi coin. It's just a speculative asset. But it does tend to react to mainnet news. The daily chart shows that PiCoin's price has dropped to an important support level at $50. This level serves as both a psychological point and the lower side of an ascending trend line connecting the lowest swings since September. The token is consolidating around the 50-day moving average, suggesting possible accumulation. If this accumulation leads to a breakout, the token could surge to $100 ahead of the mainnet launch. However, break below the trend line risks pushing the price down to $30. Its September low. So $50 is a key support level. If it holds, we could see a surge to $100, but if it breaks, we could drop to $30. This is a crucial level to watch, folks. Keep your eyes on this price action. Okay, let's put it all together. We have the Pi Network team pushing hard to meet their KYC and migration targets. We have a potential mainnet launch in Q1 2025. We have a growing ecosystem of apps and merchants accepting Pi. And we have a price that's hovering around a key support level with the potential for a major breakout. Well, again, folks, I'm telling you, the Pi Network is one of the most intriguing projects in the crypto space right now. It's unique, it's ambitious, and it has the potential to bring crypto to millions of people who have never used it before. I am very excited about the potential of this project. I think the mainnet launch is going to be a major event, and it could send the price of PiCoin soaring. This is definitely a project to watch in 2025. All right, Crypto Guru, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Pi network? Are you mining Pi? Do you think the mainnets will launch in Q1? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications. Let's grow this crypto community together. As you can see in these articles, the Pi network is generating a lot of excitement. The community is growing, the developers are making progress, and the mainnet launch is on the horizon. This is a project with a lot of potential. I don't know about you, but I'm setting a reminder for Q1 2025. I don't want to miss the Pi network mainnet launch. Let me know in the comments if you're as hyped about Pi as I am. And hey, if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out my other videos on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other top cryptocurrencies. I've got a ton of great content to help you navigate this exciting market. Now, as always, I have to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Crypto is a volatile market and you could lose money. Only invest what you can afford to lose. All right, let's recap. The Pi network is making significant progress towards its mainnet launch. Millions of users have completed KYC, and the developers are aiming for a Q1 2025 release. The Pi Coin IOU is holding a key support level, and a breakout could send it soaring, so what are you waiting for? Join the Gold Rush Crypto Daily community today. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's explore the future of crypto together. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and stay bullish. Gold Rush, out.